Hi, I'm Aaron Dowd with Archer Services, and today I'm going to discuss with you a red oak. This is one of my favorite shade trees for the Houston area. It's called a red oak because if we actually get the right temperatures here in Houston, you'll actually get some color from the red foliage or from the foliage. So mine in the past 2 winters where we've actually gotten really cold winters, the whole tree has turned a very vibrant red. And it's just absolutely stunning for the whole block to take a look on. I've elevated my tree a little bit here. So this is on about a 12-foot diameter raised circle seating area. So that's really helped this tree perform well. When I planted this guy, I think it was only about a 65-gallon tree. I could almost touch the top of it. And here it is 5 years later, and this tree is coming close to the top of my second-story house. It's a beautiful tree, but that's only the start of it. This tree here can get to be between 60 and 100 feet tall and about 1/3 of that wide. So it grows much taller than it grows wide. So the greatest part about that is you can actually get a lawn to grow underneath a red oak tree. That's also one of the reasons why I like it. The live oak grows so wide and so broad like an umbrella. It just provides so much shade underneath it that it's very difficult to grow a lawn underneath. The red oak offers, you can really prune this canopy up some and still keep a nice healthy lawn underneath it. It's a deciduous tree, so meaning that it's going to lose its leaves during the fall months. So during the fall, this tree will be totally bare, but it has a really cool branching structure on it. I've actually got some lights on it underneath it, and so I keep the lights on it year round, and it really, even during the winter when it doesn't have any leaves, it's really cool to look at. It does produce acorns, so it keeps the squirrels and all the different little critters happy around here. If you have deer, if you're more out in a native natural area, the deer can enjoy the acorns as well too. But it's just an exciting tree. It has a brownish silver trunk, so it's not as dark brown as some of the other trees, and it just continues to spread. Give this tree plenty of room to grow. If you've noticed, we'll take some shots, but this tree is actually growing underneath some other trees, but we will have to eventually kind of take out some of these other trees in order to let this one really grow. The best part is this one is just gonna span over all of these. It's just such a beautiful tree to really, to just end a home. It's really to put on kind of an end cap of a home or to really provide a staple for that front yard. This is one of the trees you should really consider. So thank you. Do something exciting in your landscape today.